This is the most refreshing, flavor-packed, and it's just one of those drinks that when you do serve it, everyone's gonna go like, what is that? You just say it's that Ndudu twist. Cheers! Anyway, my name is Fafa and welcome to my creative cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa. Ndudu means food, food in the Ewe language from Ghana. I'm Ghanaian and my name is Fafa. Ndudu by Fafa is food by Fafa. It's not any other food, it's that kitchen.
Now before we start, do ensure that you've clicked the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and the notification button, which means that each time I do upload a video, you are notified of it and you do not miss a thing. So grab your pineapple, wash it, and then peel the skin, including the eye of the pineapple, off the flesh. And what we're going to do is also, take the flesh and leave the core of the pineapple, because I'll be including the core of the pineapple to the skins to make the syrup. That seemed like the never-ending sentence somehow, but I got there anyway. What I do love about this recipe is the fact that the pineapple skins are put to good use. So of course I'll be making my syrup. Now I have cut the flesh in this beautiful way to allow easy access to the core of the pineapple. If you have a core, you can use it, but this is just easy and you saw me do that earlier. So in a saucepan, I've placed the pineapple skin, including the core, and I've added water, and it's on a medium heat. To that, I've added just a little bit of ginger for that residual heat. It's that one of those background taste that comes through. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoonfuls of my brown sugar. You can omit this altogether, but I'm making a syrup here. And I'm adding just that pinch of salt so that I don't need to include more sugar. And I'm going to bring this to the boil. Now I'm going to deal with the aromatics just to give it that je ne sais quoi taste now sitting. So I've got my lemongrass, yes, and I'm just going to add that to it. So I've just crushed it to ensure that the infusions and the oils of that lemongrass just goes into the syrup. It's not any other syrup. Syrup is also a catch. And to that, I'm adding 1 star anise. Now this is optional, but I love that sort of aromatic flavor that it includes in here. It gives the syrup this sort of mulled wine sort of flavor, but it's optional. You don't necessarily need to use it, but of course it's in Ndudu by Fafa. I have it, so I have done that. And then I brought that to the boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you can see how lovely and dark this is. Look at this. It's just so. Look at that flavor. So these are like your pineapple skins. Don't throw them away. You can make an amazing cup of tea. And I love this. I mean, this recipe, may I say, is inspired by the Ghanaian drink. We call it like the fever drink, because it would have the pineapple skins, the lemongrass, some lime, some sugar cane, and then it's brought to the boil. So when one is under the weather, that's what one is fed. Like, you drink that. It is just an amazing, refreshing drink. So of course, my lemonade, it's a play on that, without a doubt, because it's a flavor that I'm familiar with that works really well. So I've added my chunks of pineapple into my blender, and I've added my syrup. Now I'm just going to zest 2 lemons. You can use your lime as well, not a problem. So I'm going to zest and use the juice of it as well, because of course I'm making lemonade. Yes, absolutely. And if you watch a previous video, I did mention about massaging the lemon just to allow an easy squeeze of the juice out, and it's exactly what I've done. I tend to use my grater to grate the zest, obviously, but also to, strain the juice to make sure that I get the seeds out. And that just works well, rather than like having to go and use another utensil. It's just making the most of what I have. So I've blended this mixture till it's nice and smooth, as you can see here. And I'm just going to strain it just beautifully. Now, the best thing to do is refrigerate this amazing mixture for a minimum of 2 hours, or let it be chilled. What I also tend to do is I just pour a little bit into an ice cube container and freeze it. So instead of using ice cubes just as ice, which dilutes it, you still have, yes, absolutely, the pineapple lemonade to infuse into that, and that cools it. So yeah, it means that you're maintaining that flavor. Look at this beauty. What's it?
Now this is incredible. This pineapple lemonade is a must try.
Now you can be creative with this drink when you're serving it. You can slice some cucumber, add some fresh mint, and just pour this beautiful juice over it. Just freeze some of the juice, use as an ice cube, as you can see here, and just infuse the bad girl. You know what I mean? And enjoy. It's so refreshing. And I think this is the time of the year to be indulging in those sort of je ne sais quoi things. I hope you're inspired to try the recipe. Most definitely, it's such an easy thing to make, and you can keep this in the fridge for up to 3 days. But then again, it'll be so good, I doubt you'd have any left anyhow.
Cheers. This is the most refreshing, flavor-packed, and it's just one of those drinks that when you do serve it, everyone's gonna go like, what is that? You just say Ndudu West.
And do not forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button, so when I do upload a new video, you'll be notified of it. Absolutely. I've got exciting recipes coming up. Of course, don't forget to also watch the lemon curd recipe, because that I'm going to be using for another thing later. You see, it's just a lovely journey in that infusion. Absolutely. I've got more creative drinks also on my YouTube channel, so do check it out. I'll leave the playlist below. So yeah, why not? It's that time of the year where making your own drink is a must. Naturally, I'll leave the list of ingredients on my blog in Ndudu by Fafa.blogspot.com. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter as in Ndudu by Fafa. So do pass by and say hi. Until next time, my beautiful people, take care of yourself, be nice, be beautiful, and live your life. Be happy. It's a great place to be. Me love you. Peace.